Ready, start. Bail application number 709 oblique 2021. Judgment Muddamal of prohibited liquor by the police in order to show their performance. Nothing has been recovered from the applicant and he is only been arrested on the basis of statement of co-accused. Investigation is almost complete and the applicant accused is no more required for the purpose of investigation. The main thrust of submission by the learned advocate for the applicant is that co-accused of offense has been enlarged on bail by Honorable High Court of Gujarat and also by this Honorable Court. Hence, the present applicant deserves to be enlarged on regular bail by granting behalf of party. The applicant is the permanent resident of Surat and there are no chances that he would flee away from the hands of justice. The applicant will be abided by the conditions that may be imposed by this honorable court while granting him regular bail. On the basis of these submissions, learned counsel prayed for release of the applicant on regular bail on conditions deemed fit by the court. Per contra, learned additional public prosecutor appearing on behalf of State of Gujarat strongly opposed this bail application and submitted that huge quantity of prohibited liquor has been seized by the police, that the applicant and co-accused have not only committed offense under Prohibition Act but also have committed offense of affixing duplicate number plate on the vehicle used for transportation of prohibited liquor. Other co-accused are on the run and therefore granting regular bail to the present applicant will be harmful to the case of prosecution. There are chances of tampering with evidence by the applicant and he would flee away from the hands of justice if released on bail. By submitting all this, the learned additional PP urged to dismiss the present bail application. Heard learned counsel for the applicant and learned additional PP for the stage perused the contest of bail application as well as case papers and read the affidavit of IO along with the documents produced on behalf of applicant, considered the submissions made on behalf of both the side. Upon going through the record, it is observed that applicant accused was involved in present offense on the basis of statement of co-accused who were arrested at the spot with prohibited muddamal. The role attributed to the present applicant accused is of receiver of muddamal prohibited liquor seized by the police. Co-accused Santosh Pawar arrested at the spot along with prohibited liquor has been granted regular bail by the Honorable High Court of Gujarat by passing order in our criminal miscellaneous application number 14242 of 2021, dated 25 August 2021, and thereafter co-accused Keyur Bhandari was also enlarged on bail by this court. Therefore, the present applicant accused deserves to be granted benefit of rule of party as per the principles settled in the well-known case of Rameshbhai Batubhai Dabhi versus State of Gujarat. Affidavit of IO also do not disclose any sufficient reasons that the presence of applicant could not be secured during the trial, and the applicant could not be secured would be flee away from the hands of justice. Affidavit of IO also do not disclose criminal antecedents of the applicant. Thus, considering the nature of allegations against the applicant and role attributed to the present applicant, and considering the punishment prescribed for such offences, I deem it fit to exercise my discretion in favor of the applicant, subject to imposing certain conditions. Hence, I pass the following final order.